Hi, today we are discuss the tuples in Python. A tuple in a Python is similar to a list. The difference between the two is that we cannot change the element of a tuple once it is assigned, whereas we can change the elements of a list. ಟ್ಯೂಪಲ್ನ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪೈಥಾನಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So how to create a tuple? A tuple is created by placing all the items inside the parenthesis separate by the comma. The parentheses are optional, however it is good to practice use them. A tuple can have any number of the items and they may be of different types: integer, float, list, string, etc. For example, different type of the tuples. My tuple is a empty tuple also you are created. My tuple is equal to open and close brace. And suppose you have integers in your tuple, so my tuple is a tuple name is equal to inside the bracket you write the numbers. Here I am writing 1 2 3 are the integers. Tuple with the mixed data types. My tuple is a tuple name is equal to, here we are using the different type of the data types: integer, strings and floating types. 1, hello, 3.4 are the examples. And nested tuples. In one tuple also you are write the another one tuple, another list of the numbers. Here I am writing mouse and 8 4 6 and 1 2 3. These are the different type of the tuples, different list of the tuples. This is called nested tuple. A tuple can also be created without using parentheses. This is known as a tuple packing. For example, bracket ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ನಡೀತದೆ. And here I am showing 3 comma 4.6 comma dog without a parenthesis. This is called packing. Tuple unpacking is also possible. ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟ್ರು ನಂಬರು ಡೇಟನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯೂಪಲ್ ನೇಮು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. access the tuple elements. ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು? There are various ways in which we can access the tuples of a tuple, elements of a tuple. First one is the indexing. We can use the index operator using the square bracket to access an item in a tuple where the index start from 0. For example, accessing the tuple elements using the indexing. For example, my tuple is equal to, here I am writing permit in a separate characters. So with using the index number we can be access the element of 0. In 0 position P is stored, and first position E, second position R, like that position number we are writing index number within a square bracket, we can be access it. And negative indexing number also we can be access. Python allows negative indexing for its sequences. The index of -1 refer to the last item, and -2 to the second last item, and so on. For example, negative indexing for accessing the tuple is writing in a permit in a separate character, and output we want to get the output to T, then we write the -1. Last element is -1 and the first element is a -6. Slicing. We can access a range of the input in a tuple by using the slicing operator, that is a colon. Accessing the tuple elements using slices. For example, my tuple is equal to, tuple name is, and program iz, write the separate character here. In example, we want the second to fourth element, then that is ROG, that second element to fourth element we want, then we write the 1:4, then we get the second to fourth element. Element beginning to end, we want beginning to end element, then we write the -7 colon -7, and -7 is the second index number starting to, this is a negative index number. Elements 8 to end, that is output we get IZ, seventh element is colon, and last element as it is you shown, right. Elements beginning to end, then we write just a tuple name inside the bracket colon. Changing a tuple. We can also assign a tuple to different values. Reassignment, changing the tuple values. Suppose we are changing the values, then we are reassigned it. For example, my tuple is equal to 4, 2, 3, inside the square bracket 6 and 5 is there. However, item of the mutable element can be changed. We want the third element is a 9, changed 9. Then write again 3 to 0 is equal to 9. Then its value is reassigned 9. And we can be use the plus operator for the concatenation, and repeat elements use operator. Star operator is for the repeat elements. Plus and the star operations are new tuples, result in a new tuples. For example, concatenation here using two list 1 2 3 plus 4 5 6. Then we combine the result, we get 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then repeat 3 times we want, then we write the repeat star 3, then 3 times it can be repeated. Deleting a tuple entirely, however, it is possible using the keyword del in front of the tuple name. Other tuple operations are the tuple membership test. We can test if an element exists in a tuple or not using the keyword in. The membership test in a tuple, for example, my tuple is equal to apple. We are checking using the in operator. A is present in my tuple and B is present in a my tuple using the in operator. Then the not operation is print G is G not in my tuple. Then this if it is present, then it shows the true. If it is not present, false. Output is we can get a output. Second method is iterating through a tuple. We can use a for loop to iterate through each item in a tuple using a for loop through a tuple. For example, for name in John Kite, and print hello name. Then we get the output hello John, hello Kite. Thank you for the watching the video.